Hi guys, so you know the egg sandwiches of the Indian coffee house in Kolkata are famous all over the country for its amazing and one-off taste. They are creamy, they are soft and everything that you want the perfect sandwich to be. And today I'm going to try and replicate this recipe in my kitchen. So let's head to my fridge and let's see what ingredients do we need for this. Let's open my fridge and let's see what ingredients do we need. Okay, so we need butter, very important. Then we need bread, of course, so I'm gonna take some bread, and we need eggs. So I think 2 eggs should be fine. I'm going to boil these eggs. I am heating some water now to boil the eggs, and it's a little warm already, so I'm gonna add both my eggs here, and I'm going to boil it until the shell cracks. As you can see, the shells have cracked up, so I'm going to turn off the flame now. Okay, I've removed the shells of the eggs, and the ingredients that we need for this recipe are boiled eggs, butter, bread, salt and some pepper powder. My first step is to cut these eggs into small pieces. Okay, so my eggs are ready. Now we'll start the prep for the sandwich. The next step is to take some generous amount of butter, and we're gonna mix it until it turns creamy. Yeah, this much should be fine. I'm going to take a spoon, or rather a fork, and I'm gonna mix it. Okay, I think I'm going to turn off the video for a while and I'm going to whisk it with both my hands, and then I'm going to show you all how it looks. So I've mixed the butter and this is how it looks. It has formed a creamy texture, as you can see, and we're going to add the eggs to this now. So I'm going to take my eggs and I'm going to add it to the butter mix. And I'm going to mix it again. We're also going to add some salt, that's as per your taste, and some pepper powder, and mix. I've mixed all my ingredients together, and as you can see, it has formed a nice creamy paste. So it's time to fill the bread now. I've spread the filling all over the slice of bread, and the sandwich is ready. So here it is. You can also cut the sides if you like, but if you don't, that's also okay. If you like the sides, you can have it. So I've cut the sides of the bread, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna get to my favorite part, which is tasting, but before that I'm gonna clean my kitchen. Okay, so time to taste this now. This is actually honestly the first time that I tried this kind of a sandwich, so let's see. So amazing. This is really nice, and y'all should definitely try it at home. Y'all can enjoy this with a cup of chai or coffee, anything that you like. I actually don't drink both, so I'm just gonna enjoy it plain and simple.